don't even know how many times I gotta tell y'all, but let's get into this hair video, okay? Y'all already know what it is. It's another hair review / install, and we about to get straight into it. Y'all can't be sick of me yet because I really don't be on here like I need to be. But today I am doing my first tape in install. I'm doing it on my bestie, Dreela. I'm dropping stuff, being clumsy already, as you see. But I just want to show y'all the boxes of the extensions. Okay, yeah. Company is on Amazon. It's called Goo Goo Hair. And this is the extensions right here. We got a 14, 16, and 18 and 100% human hair. The tape ins came with lashes and extra tape in each box. They also came with a bag to put the tape ins back in. And it also came with directions for tape ins, clip ins, anything that you buy from them, the install and the takedown. So make sure you read because reading is fundamental. So, excuse my makeup in the background. I gotta clean my brushes and stuff. But these are the 3 bundles of tape pins. As you can see, the hair is real nice. It's flowing already. We ain't washed it. We ain't did nothing to it. It's real nice. It came with highlights. And it's not just like brown boom highlights. It's actually ombre. So, I love that. So far, I think it's a 10. But we're gonna see how it go after I flat iron her hair, after we install it and everything else. So just stay tuned. So as y'all know, I'm always using this heat protector right here. And this old reliable flat iron right here, we're gonna go on the highest heat because of her hair texture. And we about to get into it. Right, y'all, so I did 2 clarifying shampoos, 1 moisturizing shampoo, a deep condition with heat under the dryer, rinsed it out with cool water, not cold, not warm, not hot, cool water, and I blowed it out. Now I'm straightening it, only 1 pass on each section, and I'm gonna dust her ends. Y'all, sis was getting me caught up on all the tea that was going on YouTube. So I'm confused. What did that have to do with the channel?
He posted it.
He posted his brother drowning?
He posted them finding his brother body on the channel. He also posted when they got there and when the police was actually looking for the body. He talking about I ain't gonna show my brother body in the body bag, but he said y'all family something.
Child, when I say it was a lot going on, it was a whole lot going on. She was watching a video that was showing like the behind the scenes and what's actually going on with the Prince family and they various channels. It was just a whole lot of extra going on. But sis has a scalp condition called scalp psoriasis, and I'm just brushing through just in case anything is, like trying to build up on us, because with her it does come quick. Even though you might scrub it off the scalp gently, it does come back quick sometimes. So I just want to make sure that everything is good, and that's why I'm brushing through it like I am. And I ended up doing her a little ponytail test, and sis passed. She passed with flying colors. Now, I just said flying colors, but now I'm thinking, like, why they said flying colors? Like, the color's not flying, so why y'all say flying colors? Like, make it make sense. I don't think everything meant to make sense, but at the same time, why it don't make sense? It could easily make sense. Easily. But anyway, I literally brushed through her hair for a good little minute, just trying to make sure. And I was also, like, in my head admiring. And y'all, at the same time, that video was so crazy. It was so out of pocket. Y'all see me playing with the hair. But, like, that video was so out of pocket. I was like, dang, they doing a whole lot of extra. And it was a lot that was not needed. But I don't even know the channel that she found it on, child. It was a lot going on. It was. And this girl that got me into watching reality TV. I ain't never been one for reality TV. This me.
I don't like reality TV. Black women need to be supporting each other.
And I hate to see all of us, going at each other's necks and just degrading each other. And we need to see positive black people. Child, let me tell you, I never been one for drama. But I ain't even gonna lie. It be better than the storylines people be coming up with. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm gonna be keep it 100 with you. Okay, it's very interesting, and I done got no watching it, and I think I'm hooked at this point. I'm sorry. I think I'm hooked. Don't even sit there and play like you don't see that. Look at that swing. Look at that shine. Look at that luster, okay? It look good. Stop playing with her. She is not one of them. Look at that. You see that? Don't even play. Just stop. Don't even play. Because you saw the slow motion and then you saw it in real time. Can you keep up? You're going to lose your breath. So I'm about to tape the hair in. We just finished eating some Chick-fil-A. Whenever you do the tape-ins, you just got to make sure that you're doing it at the right temperature, because if you go over, you might melt the tape-ins. So with these, it says that it needs to be around 350. My flat iron goes to 340 and then 375. So I'm going to go with 340 because we're not melting these tape-ins off our hair, having to wait for them to cool off and then having to put some more tape on it. That's just gonna be too much. So we're gonna do 340. It says after you do it, press it 5 to 6 times. I'll probably do it 7 times just to be sure. And I'll show y'all a little bit of what I'm doing, and then y'all see the finished product. All right, y'all, so this is the ponytail test I was telling y'all about, how she passed with flying colors. You see she got a little flower waves, but ain't nothing like a natural ponytail without the flower waves, okay? So, as you can see, I'm putting the tape-ins in. It's blending very seamlessly into her hair. I don't know why I don't have the rest of the footage, but yeah, it got it when I was literally in the middle of her head. And y'all see, like, it's getting really full at the back, and I keep doing, like, a ponytail test when I keep going just to make sure it's still laying flat, which it obviously is because it's no braids, it's no, nothing like that. And they not sitting right on top of each other, so they gonna lay flat. But I was just so excited because this was my first time doing tape-ins. It was her first time getting tape-ins, and we was just ready for that finished look, okay? So I went ahead and put some layers in it, curled it, and I did those curls like that on purpose because her birthday was coming up, you know what I'm saying? We wanted to make sure that they stayed and they were flawless so that whenever her birthday came, they fell and they were real nice, voluptuous curls. My camera fell. Embarrassing. But this is the end result. Y'all thought y'all couldn't play with her then? Y'all definitely can't play with her now. Get with her assistant to schedule with her, okay? You cannot reach her. You talk to Huey and Huey talk to her, okay? Look at this. Like, you can't tell me I didn't do that. But I will say, in the future, instead of doing it like I did, being scared that I was going to run out, because this was definitely more than enough hair, I shouldn't have put them as close together because I needed more space to use the tape-ins in the front so that her hair wouldn't just be in the front. Now, I did layer it to where it does look good while it's straight, but obviously y'all didn't get to see that. So y'all about to see me like trying to make it, make some shake in the front. And honestly, I should have had it to where I had more tape-ins in the front. That's really the only thing that could remedy that. Like, look at that. Like no, little ice cream scoop type of. No, we're not doing that. No. It just don't look right. No, but honestly, she don't like her hair in her face, so she wasn't wearing it like that anyway. She did a middle part, and it was really, really cute. But then I was trying to, maybe you can put it to the side, maybe getting a little too excited, just doing a little too much. Just sit down, doing a little too much. But yeah, so she was like playing with it, putting it in a ponytail, and of course it ain't Dreela. She ain't acting like that, honey. So ultimately, it came out good, but I would say that I do have some things to work on, obviously, when it comes to tape-ins. This was my first time, but it did come out good. Whenever we took it out of her hair, which was, I would say, a month later, so like around April, at the end of April, I took it out and there was no hair shedded. Like, she had all her hair. I see a lot of people saying that with tape-ins, their hair come out. You see her. Look at that. Look at that middle part. But yeah, she wore her hair like that for her birthday. I'm going to try and insert some pictures. And she looks really, really cute and classy. And when it comes to Dreela, just know she about to wear a headband or a scrunchie on her hair. And she about to have her hair tied up. Because what she don't do is, she not about to play with her hair install. So yes, again, Goo Goo hair, 14, 16, 18 inches. I'm going to put the color and all that in the description box because I don't have the information right now. But I would say it's giving 80% of what it was supposed to give. It's an 8 out of 10 and we loving it. And right here at the end, we was just trying to get a little thumbnail for the video, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I think it was pretty affordable and I got some things to learn, but I think I did good for my first time. Tell me what y'all think in the description box. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that other good stuff, okay? Make sure you share it too. Bye, y'all.